How to indent in Smartsheet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can indent in Smartsheet. So let's get started. For that, first of all, log into your Smartsheet account and here just click on the respective workspace in which you have the sheet. So when you click on workspace, you'll be able to see a couple of options here at the left side. So what you have to do is just click on that sheet. For example, I've clicked on this task sheet over here. So now you can see that what basically indent is that you can just click on this icon over here. That is minus, and you could be able to see that the subtasks have been minimized, and you can see that row 2 and 3 have been included in the row 1. So that means the row 1 is a parent. So for that, what you have to got to do is select the child. For example, task 2 is the parent and subtask 3 is the child. So what you got to do is just right click on child, and after that click on indent over here. So once you click on indent, you'll be able to see a minus icon uploaded with next to the parent row. So just click on it and the entire row of child would be minimized. So here you can see that I have already within this task. So what you got to do is do it on your primary column. So if you do it on your primary column, all of the other rows contained by the row would be minimized as well. Like you can see, I have already done it for the task 1. So that was basically how you can indent in Smartsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.